Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss another puzzle. The name of the puzzle is pair of socks. So here we have to select a pair of sock or get a pair of sock. Let's understand the problem first. How we have to get pair of socks. So there are 10 black socks, okay, and 10 red socks in a cupboard. You have a cupboard. There are 10 black socks and 10 red socks. Okay, now your task is to draw a few socks at randomly. You put your hand in the cupboard and draw a sock, okay, without looking into it. You are not allowed to look into the cupboard, okay, such that you get at least one matching pair, that is of single pair. So you will say you have got a pair if you have two black socks or you have two red socks. If you get two black socks, you have one pair. If you have two red socks, you have one pair. Okay, now what is the least number of socks that you need to draw? Now you have to find what is the least number of socks that when you draw from the cupboard you get one pair of socks, either of two black or two red socks. Okay, so think for a moment for this problem and see if you are able to solve. If you are not, come back to this video and see the solution. Now let's say we have the given cupboard and we have 10 black and 10 red socks. Let's say you pick one sock. Okay, it can be either black or red. Okay, let's say you pick two socks. There are three possibilities: both are black, both are red, or one is black and one is red. If this is the case, you have got the pair. This is the case, you have got the pair. But if this is the case, you have not got the pair. Okay, so let's say if we take three socks. Let's take three socks. Okay, so what can be the cases? You can have first as black, second as red, and the third can be either black or red. If you have black, if the third is black, you have a pair of black socks. Okay, if the third is red, you have a pair of red socks. So if you draw minimum at least three socks, you are for sure going to get two, either two black or two red socks. Okay, so you will get a pair of socks here in this case if you draw at least three socks from the cupboard. So this is simple observation by drawing the socks from the cupboard. Okay, but there is another way to solve this problem. The approach is known as, or the solution is known as pigeonhole principle. Okay, pigeonhole principle. So this principle is pigeonhole principle. Okay, now what does this principle say? Let's understand. The pigeonhole principle states that, okay, if there are n plus 1 pigeons, n plus 1 pigeons to fit, or to put, you can say to put into n holes. Okay, you have n plus 1 pigeons and you have n holes. Now you have to put these n plus 1 pigeons into n holes. Then you will have at least one hole. Okay, at least one hole where you will get two pigeons, two, or it can be more as well, two or more pigeons. Minimum is two. Okay, you have to, let's say you have five pigeons, 4 and 5 pigeons. These are the pigeons. P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Okay, and you have four holes, that is hole 1, hole 2, hole 3 and hole 4. So you have this 4 plus 1 pigeons, n plus 1, and you have n pigeons, that is 4 holes, n plus 1 pigeons and n equal to 4 holes. Okay, now if you start putting these pigeons into hole, you will put p1 here, p2 here, p3 here, p4 here, and you will left with p5. Okay, now this p5 you have to adjust in any one of the hole. Whenever you put in any hole, that hole will have at least 2 pigeons. Okay, so this is what pigeonhole principle says. Now let's relate this to above prolonged statement. You have to get you have to get you have to get two socks. Okay, and these two socks are of different colors, red and black. Okay, so you have two colors. Now from these two colors, how many socks you want to draw. Now here socks is nothing but your pigeons. Okay, pigeons. Now the number of socks you want to put into two different colors, okay, such that there is at least one color which have the same color of where which color have at least two uh, socks. Okay, so if we have two, this is nothing but holes. So in order to put x number of pigeons into two holes, you would need what, n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 pigeons, to put it in a way such that you get at least 2 pigeons or at least 2 socks in the same color, red and black. Okay, so you are getting one sock, putting it into here, you are getting one sock, putting it into here, and again you are getting one sock, and this sock is either red or black, and it is definitely going to be either red. If it is red, if it is black, you will put it here. If it is red, you will put it here. So you will get a pair of socks if you draw minimum three socks from the cupboard. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. This is the solution. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.